Ancient weapons from different countries. Shuriken, Japan. Roman Scissor, Italy. Sentai, Iran. Karambit, Indonesia. Macuauhtétel, Mexico. Dusak, Germany. Balisong, Philippines. Bagnog, India. Atagan, Turkey. Kunai, Japan. Suantaga sword, Finland. Battle axe, Vietnam. Starfly, Germany. Shuttle, Ethiopia. Kopes, Egypt. Falcata, Liberia. Nunchaku, Japan. Kopis, Greece. Khukri, Nepal. Julfikar, Saudi Arabia. Gunstock War Club, United States. Oxbridge Dirk, United Kingdom. Ayodhya Katti, India. Boledaras, Argentina. Card, Iran. Sorocaba Nip, Brazil. Dha, Myanmar. Machete, Spain. Katana, Japan. Golok, Malaysia. Gladius, Italy. Bamboo Ransking, Indonesia. Thai sword, Thailand. Boomerang, Australia. Kilic, Turkey. Piaketta, Sri Lanka. Bec de Corbin, France. Kiris, Indonesia. Chakram, India. Tabarjin, Iran. Lucerne Hammer, Switzerland. Tisula, Greece. Lochaber X, Scotland. Kiang Spear, China. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.